Stop sounding weak. Do you ever feel like people don't take you seriously, even when you know exactly what you're talking about? It might not be what you're saying, but how you're saying it. In today's video, we're breaking down the words that make you sound weak and what to say instead so you can speak with clarity, confidence, and authority, whether in meetings, interviews, social settings, or daily life. Stay to the end for real examples of how to transform weak sentences into powerful, confident ones. Why word choice matters. Your words shape perception. Strong language equals strong presence. People are more likely to trust and listen when you speak with clarity. You rewire your brain to believe in your own words when you stop using uncertain language. Great communicators sound confident not because they know everything, but because they express ideas with clarity and conviction. Confidence isn't loud, it's clear. Speak with certainty and your words will carry more weight. Weak versus strong language. Softening words, weak language, I think. I guess. Maybe we could. I'll try, hopefully. Strong alternative, I believe. Based on the facts. We should. I will. I'm confident. Unnecessary apologies, weak language, sorry but, sorry to bother you, sorry just a quick questions. Over-apologizing can make you sound uncertain even if you aren't. Strong alternative, I'd like to add, do you have a moment, quick question. Permission-seeking language, weak language, is it okay if could I maybe, do you mind if? Strong alternative, I'm going to, I'd like to, I plan to. Uncertain opinion statements, weak language, I'm not sure but, this might be wrong but, it's just an idea. Strong alternative, one solution could be. A more effective option is. My recommendation is. These remove the self-undermining intro. Filler words, weak language, like, you know, just, basically. Filler words make speech longer but weaker. Strong alternative, silence cut it, silence, remove entirely, get straight to the point. Hesitancy in requests, weak language, if it's not too much trouble. I was hoping you could. Whenever you get the chance. Strong alternative, please. I need you to, by tomorrow at noon, please. Strong communication needs clarity and expectations. Weak business, professional language, weak language. I don't know, that won't work. We have a problem, that might be difficult. Strong alternative, I'll find out, here's a better approach. We have an opportunity to improve, we can handle this by. Unclear statements, weak language, probably, kind of, sort of, stuff, things. Strong alternative, I'm certain, it's likely, exactly, specifically, name the specific item. Being specific shows confidence and authority. Full sentence transformation, weak language, sorry, I'm just checking to see if you finished that report. Strong alternative, quick update, have you finished the report? Full sentence transformation, weak language, I think we should maybe try something different. Strong alternative, I recommend we try a different approach. Full sentence transformation, weak language, I'm not sure, but this might be a good idea. Strong alternative, a more effective solution would be. Full sentence transformation, weak language, if it's not too much trouble, could you send that to me? Strong alternative, please send that to me. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more confidence and communication tips, and comment below. Which weak word are you cutting out today? Remember, your words shape how the world sees you. Speak strong. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to let me know you want more videos like these. The information shared is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet, lifestyle, or health routine.